Everybody, welcome back to Planet X News. It is July 19th, 2017. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, we've had a kind of a rare earthquake, a magnitude 5.1, occurring in the Barbados region, Windward Islands, approximately 20 minutes ago, and it was very shallow, only a depth of 10 kilometers. This was reported by the USGS. And we're going to take a little bit of a closer look at this. Now, we started to see a lot of seismic activity around Puerto Rico a few days ago. And this earthquake is right at the southern region of the Virgin Islands. Magnitude 5.1 in Barbados. Well, near Barbados. The Barbados region, the Windward Islands. We're going to see, we just go ahead and zoom in here a little bit more. I'm going to turn on the satellite view. It's not going to really give us much of anything, but a big red dot in the middle of our screen. Now, we've seen considerable earthquake activity over the past day. If you take a look over here, we've gone over these earthquakes. This region over here, they had a really big swarm of earthquakes over the past 24 hours. 11 hours ago, still another magnitude 4. Japan, magnitude 4.8. Another one here south of Japan, magnitude 5.2. A magnitude 4.7 11 hours ago at Vanuatu, magnitude 5.9 96 minutes ago. Let's check the depth on this. Very, very shallow, only 10 kilometers. The Owen fracture zone, magnitude 5, very shallow, 10 kilometers. This occurred 12 hours ago. Here in Afghanistan, 4 hours ago, magnitude 4.2, depth 41 kilometers, still very, very shallow. Now, there is a lot of activity right now in the European region, specifically the Mediterranean, where Turkey, Greece, and Italy are situated. It does not show up on this map. It shows up on the European earthquake map. Another occurrence here, 12 hours ago, off the coast of Peru, magnitude 4.2. Again, very, very shallow earthquakes occurring. 2 hours ago in Guatemala, magnitude 4.8. Okay, we're getting an update here, so just bear with me. Usually when this updates, there should be other earthquakes showing up on this feed. Let's give it a few seconds and it will load. Folks, we're going to see an increase in this earthquake activity. There's no doubt about it. We have another stream of solar energy moving in over the next several days, and it is definitely going to increase this earthquake activity. Once again, 2 hours ago, 4.8 in Guatemala. As you can see, the west coast of the United States, very, very active. I'm going to move in here just a little bit, and you can see right along the San Andreas Fault all the way down to Baja California. 16 hours ago, magnitude 2.63. I went over this information up here in Yellowstone, and again, this is rather concerning. These are earthquakes that are a little bit above the norm for this area. Magnitude 2.8, but there are other earthquakes here. Let me try to get to it here, to zoom in a little bit more. Magnitude 2.83, magnitude 2.88. And these are right in Yellowstone. So again, that's rather concerning. We're going to keep an eye on what's occurring there in this Yellowstone region. Now, earlier they had a magnitude 3.43 that occurred. A magnitude 2.3 14 hours ago in Oregon. Depth only 15 kilometers. And we're seeing a lot of these very shallow earthquakes. Right across over into the Canadian border. 46 kilometers northwest of Princeton, Canada, magnitude 2.8. Washington, the state of Washington, they're starting to see some small earthquakes. Not really anything to be alarmed about. And then right up here in Alaska, 14 hours ago, magnitude 4, and it was 73.97 kilometers deep. A little bit of activity over here in Hawaii, really nothing major. But folks, we're going to be watching this earthquake activity very, very closely. But as of right now, the newest earthquake in Barbados, magnitude 5.1, only a depth of 10 kilometers. We're going to keep an eye on this earthquake activity all day long because we are moving into another solar wind stream that will start impacting Earth on or about July 21st. And that solar stream, that will impact our Earth for several days thereafter. So this earthquake activity is not going anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. It's here to stay for a little while. This is Scott from Planet X News and the Nibiru channel. Thank you for watching.